I'm in Cracker Barrel in Boynton Beach, and here we're gonna take a look at this van. And also we have lots of birds. And he had a Zamp solar for 5 years. Hi guys, look at this awesome, amazing RV with a Zamp solar.
820 watts.
Wow. And they hook up in parallel, so they don't interfere with each other. Very thick, nice cables.
I do. Everything's run with 8 gauge.
You mounted them with aluminum L brackets?
L brackets, aluminum L brackets.
Wow. What did you seal with? What kind of sealer on the screws?
Die-core.
That's
It's
Ram?
a 1990
1990s.
Chevy D20.
Yeah, nice wheels. Yep. Very nice floor you did.
Thank you. It's a dorm fridge. It doesn't pull a lot, so it works real good on my solar.
So Heason, yeah. Because most of the insulation I saw, they have letters and stuff on that.
Yes.
But this one very clean,
Oh yeah.
like a finished product.
Thank you.
Where did you find this insulation?
Lowe's. But she knows I'm here, so she's good.
Wow, I love vintage, the wood finish on the dashboard. I love it. And safety first, you have fire.
Fire extinguisher.
Yep. That's the way to go. And you also have CD radio, just like your friend.
Yes.
So do you use a lot?
I do. When we travel, we talk on it. I have a KC 2000 pure sine inverter.
Oh yeah, so it's safe for electronics.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. 60 amp charge controller, all Zamp equipment. Zamp panels, Zamp charge controller, and I run 3 AGM 105 amp hour batteries.
And
parallel.
Yes, and what's next to the Zamp?
That's a DC circuit breaker for the solar. So everything's on dedicated 30 amp breakers.
And here we have a max air fan that go outside
Yes.
vertically, not horizontally.
I'll show you how it works.
Nice. Propane.
Yep.
So do you have a stove or do you have a heater?
I use that for heating and cooking.
Nice.
I'm a minimalist.
What kind of heater do you have?
I have a Mr. Buddy.
And where did you get this bed frame?
Amazon.
Amazon. Oh, and I see you have lots of batteries. What kind of batteries is that?
Duracell. AGM. I got them at Sam's Club.
Yeah, I never heard about those. How long do you have?
I've had these batteries for 5 years. They're doing really, really good. They're $179 for a battery. They give you 18-month warranty on them. And they're decent batteries. Deca makes them. They just label them with the Duracell label. But I did a lot of research on these batteries. East Penn's the manufacturer.
And is this original carpeting or you did it yourself?
I did all this.
Wow, you handyman. That's cool, man. You New England, the Patriots fan, right?
Absolutely.
What do you think about Tom Brady playing to other team now?
He's the GOAT. Hopefully he'll get number 7.
Yeah. Wow, I like this look.
That's a lava.
Lava.
That's a digital antenna.